This mix here was produced 30 to 45 days ago. You can see how fresh it still looks.
Even with the snow on top of it, we have no problem with it.
Here's something that's been here 6 months. It's got the crust protecting it.
As you can see, the material's really nice and workable. You can see we've broken the protective crust and the material's lovely and lively.
When the loader goes into it and breaks that crust, it's just magical how it just starts flowing like you just made it. Our customers will come in and buy it, and they stockpile it in their yard as well.
We go through it so fast, it's crazy.
Because it's bio-friendly, you get no leaching of material, no film runoff on it.
We don't keep it that long.